Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage cottage style home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage cottage style home decor blends nostalgic elements with cozy rustic charm. This style often incorporates a mix of antique or vintage furnishings, floral prints, soft color palettes, and handcrafted items to create a welcoming, homey feel. Here are some key features of vintage cottage style home decor. Number 1. Color palette. The colors are typically soft and muted, featuring pastels like dusty pinks, soft blues, and creams, alongside neutral tones such as white, hazy, and light gray. Number 2. Furniture. Furniture features often include distressed wood, painted finishes, and antique or vintage finds. Think of weathered farmhouse tables, vintage dressers, and slip-covered sofas. Textiles. Floral patterns, gingham, and like are common in textiles such as curtains, cushions, and upholstery. Coils, knitted throws, and ruffled bed linens also add a soft, cozy touch. Number 4. Accessories. Vintage-inspired accessories like enamel, old-fashioned clocks, antique picture frames, and ceramic pictures add character. Displaying collection of vintage china, messengers, or oven baskets is also common. Number 5. Floors. Wooden floors often painted or left natural, with rugs layered over them, enhance the rustic appeal. Area rugs in vintage floral designs or variated patterns are popular choices. Number 6. Lighting. Lighting is soft and warm, using fixtures like vintage candlelights, table lamps with plated or floral shades, and lantern-style pendants. Number 7. Patterns and prints. Florals are a staple of this style, often combined with stripes, checks, or tall patterns. These prints are used across textiles and wallpaper. Number 8. Mix of old and new. Vintage cottage decor embraces a mix and match approach. Newer pieces might be combined with vintage finds, giving the space a crafted, lived-in feel. Overall, vintage cottage style is all about creating a comfortable and inviting space with a touch of old world charm. Here is a deeper look into vintage cottage style home decor. Historical background. Vintage cottage style has its roots in the English countryside, where homes are traditionally simple and practical, yet charming. It involved form, the need for a comfortable, functional living space that also embraced a sense of nostalgia and charm. Key characteristics. architectural elements, exposed beams, wooden beams on ceilings or walls can add character. Fireplaces, often central to the room, they can be made of stone or brick with a simple rustic mantel. Shiplap walls, whitewashed or lightly painted shiplap, can enhance the cottage feel. Furniture styles, antique or repurposed features. Furniture might include repurposed items, such as a vintage dresser used as a TV stand or an old fern table as a dining table. Comfortable seating, overstuffed comfy sofas and armchairs with slip covers or cushions in floral or checkered patterns. Decorative elements, vintage finds incorporate items like old platters, vintage mirrors, and framed botanical prints. Handmade crafts, quilts, knitted drawers, and hand-painted sign add a personal touch. Gardening elements, indoor plants, especially in vintage or whimsical pots, enhance the cottage feel. Wall treatments, wallpaper, floral or tall patterns are common, often in light, muted colors. Paint, soft, serene colors for walls, often in off-white, belly blue, or shades green. Window treatments, like curtains, light, airy, black or shaped curtains, add to the vintage charm. Romance shades, fabric shades in coordinating patterns or solid colors can complement the look. Storage solution, open shelving, wooden open shelves in the kitchen or dining area to display vintage crockery, glass jars, and handmade preserves. Antique cabinets, use of antique cabinets or cupboards to store linens or other household items. Flooring, wooden floors, often in natural or lightly stained finish. Rugs, often rugs or vintage-style area rugs in floral or geometric patterns, add warmth and texture. Personal touches, family heirlooms, incorporate items passed down through generations for a personal and meaningful touch. Dye projects, handcrafted items or decor projects can enhance the cozy and personalized nature of the space. Creating the look. To achieve a vintage cottage style, you might start by focusing on a few key features and building around them. Mixing and matching furniture, textiles, and accessories while maintaining a cohesive color scheme can help achieve a charming and inviting space. The goal is to create a relaxed, lift and feel that combines both functionality and aesthetic warmth. Here is more detailed exploration of vintage cottage style decor. Design principles. The vintage cottage style embraces elements that evoke a sense of timelessness and nostalgia. It combines features from different eras, often building Victorian, Edwardian, and early 20th century influences. Simplicity and functionality. While aesthetically pleasing, the style remains practical. Furniture and decor pieces are chosen for their functionality as well as their visual appeal, often with a focus on durability and craftsmanship. Personalization. The style encourages personalization and uniqueness. It is common to see a mix of heirlooms, family, artifacts, and homemade items, reflecting the homeowner's personal history and taste. Detailed elements, color scheme, soft neutrals, shades of white, cream, and beige provide a neutral backdrop that makes the space feel open and airy. Muted colors, soft blues, greens, and pinks add subtle color without overwhelming the space. These colors often appear in fabrics, wallpapers, and accent pieces. Accent colors. Occasionally, small doses of brighter colors like a cherry red or golden yellow can be introduced through accessories or artwork. Furnishings. Wooden furniture. Look for pieces with a distressed or weathered finish. Whitewashed or lightly painted wood is common. Vintage finds. Consider incorporating antique pieces such as a Victorian armchair, a farmhouse table, or an old wooden rocking chair. Mix and match. Combining different styles and eras is typical. For instance, pairing a modern sofa with a vintage coffee table creates an eclectic, crafted look. Decorative accessories, vintage collections, display collection of old books, antique teacups, or vintage clocks. Handmade items, homemade coils, knitted throws, and hand-sewn cushions add a personal touch. Natural elements incorporate dried flowers, potted plants, or baskets filled with fresh product or handmade goodies. Lighting, soft and warm. Lighting fixtures often include candelabras with a vintage flair, table lamps with floral or light shades, and wall sconces with an antique look. Candles and lanterns. Adding candles in decorative holders or vintage-style lanterns can create a warm, inviting ambience. Wall treatments, wainscoting. Traditional wainscoting or bedboard adds texture and character to walls. Wallpaper, opt for wallpapers with floral patterns, tall or classic stripes. wallpapers with a distressed or aged look can also enhance the vintage feel. Kitchen and dining, farmhouse sink. A classic apron from farmhouse sink is a staple in vintage cottage kitchens. Open shelving, displaying vintage china, mason jars, and enamelware on open shelves, keeps the kitchen both functional and charming. Outdoor spaces, garden furniture. Outdoor furniture often includes old iron, vintage wooden chairs, or painted metal pieces. Garden decor. Vintage garden ornaments like old watering cans or bud cases enhance the outdoor charm. Overall, vintage cottage is a style about creating a warm, lived-in, and charming environment that combines the best of old-world elegance with practical, everyday comfort. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.